Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vocational Pathshala. My name is Sunil and today I am here with a new video. And in this video, we're gonna discuss June 2024 tourism paper question, UGC NET Tourism paper question. Right, we will try to solve them, and we will try to cover all questions before the exam. So your exam is scheduled to be on, I think, 30th of September. So before that, I will bring all the question in parts. I will try to make it in different in this video in parts, so definitely it will help you. And there is another update for you, the students who are aiming for December 2024 UGC NET Tourism exam. So they can join me online through the app or through the website web. So I am starting the online classes. So what is important for you is this time to just join my Telegram channel. You will find the link in description, as well as you will find a Google form there. You can just fill that form as well, so that whenever I will start the batch, before starting that batch, I can just inform you, intimate you about that batch. In that batch I will cover all the 10 units, and there you will find more than 60 classes. I will provide you every class PDF as well, so there is no requirement of buying any book or something like that. And as well as I will provide you mock test there that will help you. I hope that you will join the students who are aiming for December, and you can share this information with the other aspirants as well, right? And I am very happy that you are giving so much love to this channel, and you are supporting me. Subscriber base is increasing, Telegram channel base is increasing, and I'm overwhelmed by that. And I will try to make some good content for you. I was busy from last many days, but definitely I will try to bring other videos for you in this channel as well. And that's why I try to subscribe, share this channel, like the videos, right? So let's start the video. First of all, you can see their question number 51. It's the question number 1 for us. So they are asking about the classical dance form and the state. So in this way you can say how important is the classical dance and states. So they are asking about the from which belong these dance form are actually. So there is Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi and Sang. Their states are Haryana, Andhra and Kerala and Tamil Nadu. First one we will go with Bharatanatyam. As you know, Bharatanatyam belongs to Tamil Nadu, right? It's very easy. So we will try to find the options. A4 is only one option in the fourth option, A4. So in other way you can check the other option, B3, C2, D1. B, Kathakali, yes, it belongs to Kerala, it's also correct. And C2 means Kuchipudi, it belongs to Andhra Pradesh, it's also correct. Sang is Haryana. So Sang sometimes is called Swang as well, you can check in the books as well. So this is very important question, and every time they ask this type of question from dance, from music, right, from the folk dances as well, and the cuisines as well. So next question is, the correct option is option number 4. Our next question is this is associated with the GI tags or handicrafts. Okay, so they are asking about the GI tags. They have written few GI tags name. As you know, it's geographical indicator, right? So handicraft, so they have written Machli Patanam, Kalamkari, Madhubani paintings, Bidri ware, Varli paintings. Okay, Machli Patanam Kalamkari, it belongs to which state? Then Madhubani painting, I want to go through firstly with the Madhubani painting, because it's easier to remember as well. Madhubani painting belongs to Bihar actually. Okay, so B is 2. Then Varli paintings, this belong to Maharashtra, so D4. So we are clear about B2 and D4. So we are finding this option only in the option number 1, B2 and D4, right? In that way, A1 means Machilipatnam Kalamkari belongs to Andhra Pradesh, and C, Bidriware, belongs to Karnataka. So option number 1 is the correct answer. We will go to the next question. Next question is question number 53. This is about the method of correlation analysis, and there is a description provided by provided in the question. So first is scatter diagram method, second is Carl Pearson coefficient of, next is Spearman's rank correlation, and third, D option is method of least squares. So you have to match it with the description. It's quite difficult, because they are giving just a few clues about the, they are just giving you a definition or meaning of that particular analysis. Okay, so we will firstly go with the method of least scarce. Method of least scarce, that belong to, you can see 53D, right? 53, it's we will check with the D option. It is called measures of degrees of association between correlation method, continuous and normally distributed variables. In this way, option number 4, we find this thing in option number 4. So we will check firstly with option number 1, A, scatter diagram method. So scatter diagram method is at a glance method to understand an apparent relationship between two variables with the basic term. So we are clear about two things. A option is 4 and for D option is 3. Sorry, D option it's sorry, A option it's 1 second, 50 option it's, yeah, for A option it's 4 and for D option is 3. Methods of least scarce. Methods of least scarce is, it means geometric mean of true regression coefficient method. So 1 second, you have to again check. Scatter diagram method, we have discussed that it's the 4 option at a glance method to understand an apparent relationship between two variables. Also only option number 4, option number 4, it's correct. A4 is only on option number 4. In that way, B2, Carl Pearson coefficient of is the measure the degree of association between correlated method continuous. So option number 4 is correct for 53 question. So option C was there, Spearman rank correlation. It means measure the statistical association between two variables when only two ordinal data are available. So in this way, it's a part of research, so you have to work hard and you have to try to remember these different definition or the processes. So this, in this way, option number 4 is the correct option. So in the next question, next is 54 question number. So they are asking about the different sampling technique. I will consider this question easier. Last one was a bit more moderate to tough. This one is easy question because snowballs, and because sampling techniques is the basic thing in research search process. So snowball sampling is what? Snowball sampling is initial respondents are selected by the probability samples. Additional respondents are obtained by referral from initial respondents. So referral is used in the snowball sampling. So this one is correct. So A1 is only in the option number 1, right? So option number 1 is correct. B, we can check cluster sampling, meaning sampling units are selected at random, then complete observation of all units is done. And the third option, they ask stratified sampling. Strata, the sample, we will take a strata. Population is divided into groups, that means strata. The samples are selected from each group randomly. Then the option D, systematic sampling. A starting point is selected by a random process, then every 9th member of the list is selected. So option number 1 is the correct answer for this question. The next question is question number 55. They are asking about communication mix elements and they are giving the description. Communication mix, you can see this is associated with the marketing unit, right? Marketing unit is very important. So from there they are asking this question. They're asking about the public relation, advertising, personal selling, sales promotion. It was a bit difficult. They have make it difficult, but I've tried to figure it out. So what is the meaning of public relation? Public relation meaning is reaches prospective buyers and dramatizes a company and its product, right? So in this way, option number A, list A side 2 will match with 4. So A4 is only option number 4. Okay, option number 4 is the correct option for this. We will try to figure out others as well. What is the meaning of advertising? Advertising meaning product is standardized and legitimate, right? Used to build long term image and stimulate quick sales. And the other one is C, personal selling meaning is option number 2, keeps customer interest at heart to build long term relationship with them. And the option number D is we have discussed personal selling. Option number C, we have discussed this is with 2. And we have, in this way we have discussed every option. I think you understand the concept. So it was, they have made it difficult difficult in exam when there's a pressure. So sometimes you can just skip this question in the first firstly when you are scrolling every question. So you can skip this type of question when it's becoming confusing, right? So 55 question numbers answer is option number 4. Okay, you can just check it by yourself. Maybe if you find any error there, you can just put it on comment section. I will try to discuss it with you then later stage. Okay, 56 again, I will consider this question easy, because demography, they have just segmented, there are segmented variables, and right, so variables are there. This is a, we can say it's a part of, sometimes it's a part of research planning as well. Okay, so demographic, as you know, demography, the word is associated with the age, life cycle, gender. Okay, psychography is associated with the social class, lifestyle, personality. Geography associated with state, neighborhood, population. Behavioral associated with the occasion, benefit, user stats, loyalty status. So in this way, the question, the 56 number question, the correct option is option number 3, A1, B2, C3, and D4. It was an easy question. Next question is question number 57. This is again, you can see it looks very easy, but it's not very easy question. It can confuse you in the exam. Maybe this have happened with you. So they are asking about the protected area, and they have given a description. You can see this question is from basically actually from tourism resources or tourism product unit, but you can see how they have made this question difficult. National park, as we know what is national park, national monument, managed resource protected area, and habitat management area, which is called Paryavas Prabandhan Kshetra. So national park, they are asking what, they have written a description of this particular thing. So national park, as we know, it's a ecosystem protection and recreation. So this way, a option, A1, right, A1 is only in one option, that is option number 1, A1. So B2, C3, D4. B is national monument, is conservation of specific natural features, right, conservation of specific natural feature, that is national monument. Then they will manage resource protected area, it's sustainable use of natural resources. And option number D, habitat management area, conservation through management intervention. I have tried to search this in on the internet, right? So I found this option appropriate. If you have any confusion, you can just discuss this thing on Telegram group as well with me. Just join my Telegram group from the description. If you have any if you have any confusion, or need any clear clarification on that. But as well as you can put your doubt in the comment section, you can write it there. But in my point of view, 57, its correct is option number 1, A1, B2, C3, and D4. Okay, option number 1 is the correct option. Now question number 58, this is about the category of ratios, types of ratios, right? It's a finance related question, right? So they are asking about different ratios. For this, you have to understand the financial concept very properly. For a tourism student, I will not consider this question a moderate or easy. I will consider it hard level question, or tough level question. So for this, you need to work on theory part. Okay, so they are asking about the categories of ratio, and what type of ratio is this. So liquidity ratio, firstly we will go with this, right? So liquidity ratio is AC test ratio. You can check it by yourself as well, right? There are many type of liquidity ratio, so we will match this time with this AC test ratio, because this belong to this category of ratios. Then B2, C4, and D3. B2 means capital structure ratios are debt assets ratio, and C, profitability ratios are return on assets ratios. Okay, this one was easier actually to understand. Profitability ratio, return on asset ratio. Okay, profitability, return on asset, right? If there is an asset, what is the return on that? So C4. And D, efficiency ratio, there is only one in option left, that is asset turnover ratio. So in this way, option number 1 is correct for 59 question, right? And next one is, which of the following methods are not the methods of extracting factors in factor analysis? They again from question from factor analysis, part of statistical research. So they are asking about the different methods, means which of the methods are not the methods of extracting factors in factor analysis. So again, I will consider this moderate to tough. So the correct option is option number 3. Option number 3 means only C and D are not the methods of extracting factor analysis, which are beta factoring and image factoring, right? Other three are the methods of extracting factors in factor analysis. For this, you have to study concept in details, and the thing is, it's very difficult to find them. You can just check some few finance videos in the YouTube. Finance management related tutors are there for this type of topics. Even for the basic type of topics, I am working hard. I am bringing that online course, so that will help you to understand, because the matter of net and grf is a matter of one or two questions only. So I will I am trying to make something for the tourism student, because there is nobody is making courses or something like that, because of the tourism area is very vast, tourism subject is very vast. Nobody want to put that much of effort, because there is not a lot of output there in a form of monetary value or anything else, right? So I am taking this step for you. So I hope you will join my course whenever I will launch it. So for that thing, just join my Telegram channel for the update, and I will charge very nominal fee. I'm not charging like other big brands and other tutor, what are they charging. That will be very helpful for you. And along with the course, along with the videos, I will share you PDFs there. I will share you MCQs there, that thing I am doing in my Telegram channel. And I will share you quizzes there, and as well as few mocks before your exam. So the students who are aiming for December 2024 exam, UGC NET Tourism exam, definitely they should join this. I hope you enjoy the topic. Next part will come after this video. And for any doubts, that put it on comment section or join my Telegram channel and fulfill the form. If you want to be a part of the online course, fill the form. And for English medium and Hindi medium, I will make separate course. I will try to make it separate. For Hindi medium students, separate course, and for English medium, separate course. Okay. So again, I'm just telling you, the Google form link is in the video. You can just fill that, and you can send your query to me directly. I will contact you, right? Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And bye bye. Have a